winter Himalayan slope, life begins at the edge of the cold. Beneath snow and wind, the first chick starts to break free. And even now, before it can stand, danger is already close. To understand this moment, we have to go back to the start. On the open slope, two males meet in a brief contest for the right to stay. Only when the female approaches does the display truly matter. With the pair formed, the cycle turns from courtship to survival. The female begins searching for a place hidden enough to trust with new life. There will be no grand nest here, only a shallow scrape lined against stone and snow. Into that fragile hollow, the first egg is laid. Soon the clutch is complete. 3 eggs on the ground, exposed to the mountain. From now on, every hour is patience, warmth, and watchfulness. Winter never really loosens its grip on these high slopes. Real threat begins to circle. The male answers at once, driving the crow away from the nest. But weather can be as dangerous as any predator. Later, a fox finds the scent line below the shrub. Again, the male steps in, cutting off the approach before it reaches the eggs. After days of incubation, movement returns beneath the female's breast. One shell begins to open. At last, the chick emerges, wet, weak, and wholly unready for the cold. The female becomes a living shelter, taking the full force of the wind. By the next day, the chick is already on its feet.
Chirp.
And almost immediately, it must leave the scrape and follow.
Keep close, my little survivor.
Its first
The
small
path
catch
is
is
rough.
a tiny victory,
Peep, peep,
but a
peep.
real one. From above, another danger sweeps over the bird. Once the sky clears, the female leads the chick toward richer feeding ground. Now stronger, it tries to climb again and makes it.
Keep
Then
close,
the
little
mountain
one.
closes in once
Path ahead
more,
is steep.
with hard snow and blowing
To the
power.
high ridge. Stay under my shadow. Come. Stay close, away from the wind. Mama, it's cold. We are safe here. Keep down.